Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking headphones. This is called H16 and this is called ESKA Telecom AI powered ENC wireless headset. I have to mention that this is really cool. This comes with Bluetooth 5.2 and on top of that this will really work with the AI powered mic, so this way it will cancel everything around. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. So it comes with this user manual and you can see that it's pretty thick, but once you go to the first page it will tell you how many languages it comes in, and on top of that the English one goes 10 pages. So it has a lot of things covered inside of it that we're trying to capture in this video. So this is not only going to work on your computer but also going to work for your car usage. And when you go to the back it just says be heard anywhere. Now it also comes with this little manual. This is for warnings and cautious. Now something very cool is that it comes with this little page. This is going to help you out to go to their product FAQ page. Now you can scan it or you can go directly to this website in order to get assistance. And once you flip it in the back, it also tells you exactly what you can do and how you're going to be able to connect it to your computer or even phone. Doesn't matter if it's an Android or if it's a Mac, or even going to use it on your Mac OS on your laptop or Windows, how you're going to be able to use this headset very easily. Now it also comes with this wire which is inside of a plastic. We're going to take it out, and one side is USB type A. I really like that they kept the colors the same. And on one side is USB type C. So this is going to connect to your computer and this side is going to be connected to your headset. Now comes the best part, which is going to be the headset itself. It is inside of a plastic that we can take it out. And this is how it really looks. I really like that design that they have placed together. Now going around, it has a lot of markings. Here's the mic. And I will be talking a lot about this in a couple of seconds, but let's just take a look to see what's involved in this. Now here is the headphones. This is how it really looks. So there are a few things that I want to cover very quickly to show you guys what this really does. So number one is the actual speaker part looks very comfy, and once you put it on your head it really feels that you have nothing on your head because of how these parts are really created. It breathes really good when you put it on, and on top of that the head part, it really sits on your head properly. So if you want to use this for gaming or you want to use this for your day-to-day outside driving and you want to put this on your head, believe me, it will work perfectly. Another thing is that there is a little port that you can hook up and it will charge. These are really cool because it's going to breathe. And on top of that, when you look on each side, this side will come out. So that way you can use the USB on your computer or you can put it back, and it is all magnetized, so you can just put it there and it just connects. Same thing on this side. You have these little connectors to make sure that they are in accurate place, and you let it go and it just connects by itself. I really like that too. And then going on this side, you can make this to make it bigger or smaller, and you can see that from inside. It does have little markings for right, and then when you look it does say L for left, and it has a lot more information written there for you so that way you know exactly what model you got and more, just in case if you ever forget. And this side also comes out. One thing that really stands out for me is if you are in a call center environment, this headphone will be transported from right side to the left side, so you can make it to go here, right or left. So here's a few things that I noticed is that minus sign is in the front and then you have the power. And when you look in the back, you have the plus sign, so that means is for the volume to go up or down. That's one thing. And on top of that, you have the mic mute button right in front of it, so you can press. So just in case if you are going to use this and you need to put your client or whoever you're talking to on a mute, just because you're on a drive-thru or something, this really helps you out and it will work. So we will test this out and show you exactly how good this will sound. Now to test it out, what I'm going to do is I already connected the USB to the computer right now, and I'm using OBS, which you can get from the internet for free. And if you do need another video on how you will be able to connect or install and also set up your mic system and do some little detailing, do ask. We love to make a video for you. But for right now, let's go ahead and add the ESKA H16 mic on this computer. So remember that right now that I am using my Blue Snow mic in order for me to capture this. So for that, we will say plus, and then we're going to say to the audio input capture, and over here we can name it anything we want, H16, or we're going to also put the name of the actual company. In this way we know exactly which one it is, and press OK. Now from here it should give you a list of which one you're going to use. So remember, I'm not using my Blue Snowball. I'm going to use the ESKA PC adapter. It says it right there, so we will select that and then press OK. And now it's going to be added on my list. Now let's just make this a little bit bigger so we can see more. Now in order to get it enabled, we have to turn on the mic. So for that, you have a power button on the actual headphones. You have to click it, and then it will pair with computer using that USB. Now if it doesn't work, you have to wait a couple of seconds, and then it will tell you connected, and it will work. Now and you can see that it start going. So if I have to disable my Snow, now I'm able to talk, and you can see that it goes all the way to the blue. That means it is working perfectly. But if I have to touch the mic as I'm doing right now, you can see that yes, you can touch. But if I have to press the mute button, when I click on it again, it will go on. The only difference is the actual headphones will tell you on the actual headphones that the mute is on or mute is off. In order to hear that, let me see if I can capture it for us. So what I will do right now is turning on the Blue Snow, and in this way I'm just going to take the actual headphones and put it against the Blue Snow mic and see if you can hear it.
Mute on.
And that's how it really sounds. And then when you try to put it back on mute off, and that's how it sounds when you're off. So that is pretty cool on how this is set up using the computer. Now when I go to the actual phone, will be the same, but it will use the Bluetooth. It will use the Bluetooth. Now that's how it will sound. And then you're not going to get anything out of your headphones. So that's why I just turned it off on this software, so this way we do not have to get bothered. Now while going through, I have to mention that sound quality when you're listening to song is not that bad. It's really good. But when it comes to really heavy bass, the ENC, which is the noise cancellation, will kick in. So you have to bring the volume, and you got to play with it on the actual headphones to bring it down a little bit, and then the volume can go up. The part with the bass and the part with the sound, the NEC is very heavily worked on, so it will cancel out certain part of your song, so it's not really going to work out that much, but it plays it very well when you want to listen to it on a good tune. Volume is not too high. It's going to work for you perfectly. So when it comes to song listening, this is doing the job perfectly. But when it comes to making calls and receiving calls and listening to it, this works perfectly. And on top of that, if you want to use this for your YouTube videos, yes, it will be okay, but you need to play with the software a little bit to make it work perfect. except that it is an awesome headphones and the price is really good. All the links will be available at the bottom of the video where you can order this from, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.